Here's a little update on the Pontiac. Started stripping out using these discs. Absolutely fantastic. Never used them before, so I thought I'd give them a go. Got them off Amazon. Absolutely murdered the old paint and rust on there. Got a little bit more to do in the back end. I'll have a few patches to sort out here and there, but overall really happy with how these discs are performing. Got a couple of time lapses after this to show you how well these work. Enjoy!
Says